Today we're going to talk about safety functions for vertical lift applications. In KEB's S6 and F6 drive series, there are a number of safety functions available. The ones we'll talk about today can be especially useful in theater hoists, elevators, material handling, or any other application where the motor is lifting a load up and down. The first and most basic is safe torque off, or STO. This is a 2-channel, 24-volt input to the drive where both channels have to be active in order for the drive to output to the motor. This is standard on all KEB drives. The next function is Safe Stop 1. In this function, the motor is decelerated to a stop in a programmable amount of time before transitioning into safe torque off. This allows for a controlled stop and the brake to engage before STO is engaged so that the load doesn't drop. The next function is Safe Emergency Limit, or SEL. While Safe Stop 1 can be used at any stopping point in the lift, Safe Emergency Limit is only for the upper and lower limits. In this function, once the soft limit is hit, the motor decelerates down to a stop before the hard limit is hit. As an example, this can be used for the up and down of an elevator so that the elevator car is stopped before hitting the hard mechanical stop of the floor. Last up is Safe Speed Range, or SSR. When SSR is active, there's a maximum and a minimum speed allowed for the motor. If the motor goes outside of this range, you can either trigger STO or Safe Stop 1 to ensure that the motor is always traveling at a safe speed. A few more functions that may be useful would be Safe Direction, to ensure that you're safely only traveling in the up or down direction, Safe Acceleration, to make sure that you're not accelerating too fast or too slow, Safe Operating Stop, where the drive holds the motor at a certain position, which can help to eliminate cycling the brake on and off, and finally Safety over EtherCAT. This allows for any of these safety functions to be implemented over EtherCAT rather than hardwire. Any or all of these functions could be implemented to improve the safety of your vertical lift application. For more information, contact us at KEB America.